Little Rainbow Arts.
Have you watched our new video? If not, please do watch it. Hi kids! Today we're going to talk about cats. Do you know what a cat is? Cats are small, furry animals that many people keep as pets. They are known for being playful and curious. Let's start with the word cat. How do we spell cat? It's spelled C-A-T. Can you say it with me?
C-A-T. Cat.
Great job! Now let's talk about the sounds a cat makes. Have you ever heard a cat say meow? That's how cats talk. They meow when they want attention, food, or when they're feeling playful. Let's all say meow together. Meow. Awesome! But did you know cats make another sound when they're happy? They purr. It sounds like a gentle rumble. When a cat is feeling cozy and content, it will purr. Can you try making a purring sound with me? Purr. Good job! Cats have some really interesting features. They have sharp claws that they use to climb and catch things. They also have long whiskers that help them sense their surroundings. And their eyes are big and round, which helps them see well, especially at night. Cats are also very clean animals. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves, licking their fur to keep it nice and clean. Have you ever seen a cat grooming itself? It's quite a sight. Now let's think about some different types of cats. There are many breeds of cats. Some have short fur like the Siamese cat, while others have long, fluffy fur, like the Persian cat. Each breed has its own unique look and personality. Cats can be different colors too. They can be black, white, orange, gray, or even a mix of colors. Some cats have stripes like tigers and others have spots. Every cat is unique. Cats love to play. They enjoy chasing toys, climbing on things, and exploring. If you have a cat at home, you might have seen it playing with a ball of yarn or a toy mouse. Playing keeps cats active and healthy. And did you know that cats are great hunters? Even though pet cats don't need to hunt for food, they still have strong instincts. They love to chase after moving things. It's all part of their natural behavior. Cats are also very good at relaxing. They love to find a sunny spot and take long naps. Sometimes they curl up in the funniest positions. Have you ever seen a cat napping? It's so cute. Let's recap what we've learned today. We talked about cats, how to spell the word cat, C-A-T, and the sounds cats make like meow and purr. We also learned about different types of cats, their colors, and how they love to play and relax.
Now let's draw dogs are friendly, furry animals that many people keep as pets. They are known for being loyal and playful. Let's start with the word dog. How do we spell dog? It's spelled D-O-G. Can you say it with me? D-O-G, dog. Great job. Now, let's talk about the sounds a dog makes. Have you ever heard a dog say woof? That's how dogs talk. They bark to get attention, warn us of something, or just because they're excited. Let's all say woof together. Woof. Awesome. But did you know dogs make other sounds too? They can growl when they're feeling protective or scared. Sometimes they whine when they want something or feel sad. Can you try making a whining sound with me? Whine. Good job. Dogs have some really interesting features. They have strong, sharp teeth that they use for chewing and playing. They also have a great sense of smell, which helps them sniff out things from far away. And their eyes are very expressive, showing lots of.
Now let's color our dog. Blue color. Color pink. Orange color.